lamdam asigi art amasung culture tawribasingda chahi khudingi piduna lakpa Manipur State Kala Academy Award lisingani kunga humdoi amasung lishingani kunga marigi manasing lanthokre. Manipur State Kala Academy na sinduna Imphal gi JN Manipur Dance Academy da pangthokhiba thauramda Academy asigi chairman su oiriba Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana art amasung culture gi tongan balamda saknairaba amadi naha oiriba artist homfuga mapanda Academy Award sing lanthokhi. Thauramadu Governor Bhalana Manipur asi masagi oina ina khullaba aruba art amasung culture gi pukai leijaba lamdamni. Aikhoi gi music tradition ga loina balai harauba amasung folk dancing asina ching amasung tamgi ariba matamgi puwari saktam amasung furup amagi ichang thaunagi masak takli. Manipur da lairiba narrative art form sing asigi damak chauthokpa fawi haike. Manipur State Kala Academy asi lamdam asigi art amasung culture gi pukai shing asibu yokhatuna amasung ngak senduna thamnabagi damak lingkhatkhibani. Loina namasibu yokhatnaba amasung lam asida thabak tawriba singbu pukning thaugatuna makhata namang lomda pukhatnabagi damaktani haiki. Thauramadu da kumjali singani kunga humdoi gi Lifetime Achievement Award na thoiding jump tombi da khutsinaki.
It also reaffirms our collective commitment to preserving, nurturing and advancing the rich artistic and literary heritage of our state. Manipur has long been admired for its deep cultural consciousness, refined aesthetic sensibilities and creative brilliance of its people. To the world, Manipur is synonymous with a rich and diverse artistic tradition. Our classical Ras is globally cherished for its aesthetic beauty, devotional essence and graceful movement. Our Lai Haroba and folk dances, along with music traditions of both the valley and the hills, stand as living testaments to our age-old history, identity and community spirit.